Wave energy in Norway. Today I'm going to be presenting wave energy in Norway. I'll explain how wave energy works, why Norway is a great place for it, and its pros and cons. I'll also explain some solutions to solving it, or to improving it. Introduction to technology. Technology isn't only about gadgets and apps. Technology can include a lot of things in our daily life, such as from charging your phone, sending messages, and most importantly, generating power. Technology is capable of doing much more than we can think. Today I will talk about one of the major uses of technology in Norway. What is wave energy? Wave energy is a type of renewable energy from the movement of waves on the surface of the ocean. When waves move, they carry energy caused by the wind blowing over the seas. In shorter terms, wave energy is the process of capturing the energy produced by the waves' movement, like ocean waves. By capturing this wave, we can turn it into electricity. How to convert waves into energy. To convert waves into energy, there is a specific device called wave energy converters, WECS for short, which harness the kinetic and potential energy of waves. Wave energy is also renewable and a clean source of power because it relies on the natural wave motion and does not produce greenhouse gases. Wave energy in Norway. In Norway, the long coastline and strong ocean waves provide excellent opportunities for wave energy. In Norway, companies develop energy devices to bring power to communities. Wave energy powers islands and coastal villages. This technology supports renewable energy goals. Wave energy helps reduce carbon emissions. In text citation here. Why Norway uses wave energy? Norway uses wave energy because Norway has a massive coastline, which offers a lot of energy. With waves, Norway can produce a lot of energy to power nearby villages and communities. Norway is also trying to stop the emission of carbon dioxide when generating power. Reasons why Norway is perfect for generating wave energy: massive coastlines, reliable waves, and not net zero target, which is to try and stop the emission of carbon dioxide. Okay, benefits. Some benefits. Wave energy in Norway offers many benefits. It can produce reliable and consistent power to the steady ocean waves. It supports Norway's goals to be a global leader in green energy and helps meet net zero emissions. So some benefits also: create jobs near wave energy locations so people can work there, gather money, and support their family. It produces clean and renewable energy, powers remote communities, helps Norway and the world reduce carbon emissions, which is one of the biggest challenges for climate change. Disadvantages. Some disadvantages is because it's very expensive, so high initial cost for technology. It's kind of dangerous to the environment, so the marine ecosystem possibly impacts on marine ecosystem. And harsh weather can damage equipment, and this equipment is really expensive, so it's not that easy to replace. And limited infrastructure for large-scale use. How does wave energy work? To make wave energy, the wave energy is converted through wave energy converters, WECS, which captures the kinetic and potential energy of a moving wave. This motion turns into a mechanical energy, which can be converted into electricity using the turbines and generators. Global uses of wave energy. Many different countries are exploring wave energy to try and fight climate change and reduce the use of fossil fuels. Norway is a leader, but it also learns from global examples. For example, we have UK. They're testing wave farms in Orkney Islands. Portugal, one of the first to connect wave energy. Australia, developing wave technology for remote islands. And international partnerships help share tech and research. Why wave energy matters. Wave energy is very important for the future development of mankind. This is because wave energy can be one of the most important inventions, as it is meant to stop the usage of fossil fuels and also has the potential to stop or slow down climate change. Wave energy is also very important as it saves our planet from dying. It's also very important because it doesn't use any carbon, so zero carbon emission, and there's no fuel needed because it's powered by the waves from the ocean. Some solutions to improve wave energy in Norway. To improve energy in Norway, scientists and engineers are working on different solutions. They aim to make wave power more reliable and affordable, and also to make it safe for the environment. So they're trying to use eco-friendly technology, increase government support so that the cost will go down, and upgrade infrastructure to connect waves. Educate communities to raise awareness and support. This can also help them with money income as people can donate. And here's a in-text citation, UNESCO Ocean Science Report. So to address the challenges, Norway can invest in research to reduce costs and improve technology efficiently. Environment monitoring and regulations can protect marine life. Also, community involvement will ensure social acceptance and success. So, in conclusion, wave energy is a promising renewable resource for Norway due to its vast coastline and wave potential. Despite some challenges, with proper investment and management, wave energy can help Norway meet its climate goals and build a sustainable energy future. Wave energy has great potential in Norway too. It faces challenges like high cost, harsh ocean conditions, and environmental impacts. To overcome these, a bunch of different engineering policies and community-based solutions are needed. By improving technology and increasing public support, Norway can make wave energy more effective and sustainable. Also, due to the high cost and all this, other countries can't really afford it. But once they solve that problem, many countries can use wave energy, which will help the Earth survive longer due to climate change, and also solves the problem of carbon emissions, clean and renewable energy. Here's another in-text citation. This is a picture worth 1,000 words. I put this here because it's a wave and it shows how we can maybe use wave energy. So, the best way to predict the future is to invent it. This is fed by Alan Kay. Thank you. Here are some in-text citations and citations that I used to make this. Thank you.